Alright YouTube, this is a really quick recipe, and this recipe is for dipping chicken, other types of meat. You could put it on burgers, dip fries in this. This is called Tabasco Ketchup. So for this you're going to certainly need Tabasco sauce, ketchup of your choice, and when you do this, this is a quarter cup of ketchup. And the Tabasco you kind of control. With the Tabasco, with a quarter cup, you're going to want to add 3 dashes and mix it. Use less if you don't want it as spicy, and use more if you want it really spicy. So let's get to the mix. It's really easy. Alright, so we take that Tabasco like I said. 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put a 4th one in because I like spicy. So the thing you're going to do is you're just going to come here and mix this. I can already smell the Tabasco. And like I said, if you want to add more, add more. And that's your Tabasco ketchup for dipping and other things. And YouTube, like I said, it's really good for chicken. There's that sauce. That's really good. I'm telling you, this Tabasco ketchup is really good on chicken. I use this at my house all the time. And like I said, you only need the ketchup of your choice and Tabasco. So if you like recipes like this, quick how-to videos, please subscribe, hit the bell. And each week I'll bring you 1 to 2 how-to videos, easy recipes, and food reviews and taste tests. See you later. Bye-bye, Dan Soy Cook.